to be a little bit careful around here because there's a police station not even 2 minutes down the road, so just something to keep in mind. I want to see how it looks anyways, because this is my first time being over at this spot. I kind of just was looking around for places and I found this one, and I don't even know how good it's going to be for trying to do something like this and having a little bit of like donuts or drifts and whatnot, but that's why I want to look at it right now and just kind of scope it out and see. Should I try doing maybe a donut or two right here? Yeah, try doing a figure eight. Not too bad. Bruh, something is not right. I need to check. You guys, I think, I'm not even gonna lie. Bro, this is definitely tire. I think I'm on wires in the inside of my tire. Bro, am I tripping? Hold on, I need to take my helmet off. Am I tripping? Is this tire? Is this the inner part of my tire well? Bro, I need something to cut that with. You don't have any? Go super slow, bro, super slow. All right, stop, stop, stop. All right, you guys, so I'm trying to do what I can to get all this excess tire, like wiring, cut off. I literally have no scissors, of course, or any tools in my car. That's one piece of advice I'll give you guys. Always make sure you have tools in your car and don't be an idiot like me. So I just went ahead and fixed the tire, I guess as best as I could. I want to see if it's still making noise whenever I'm driving. Okay, no, it's not.
Definitely just the tires making noise.
Because every single time the wire would move over it, it would just be slapping against stuff. I don't know if that's a sign for me to call it right there, or if I should just try maybe doing like one more. But everything seems fine. I don't know how my tire is so bad. How did it get to wire, bro? That's crazy to me. Every other tire is fine besides that right rear tire. Literally every other thing feels good. Maybe I'll try doing like one more skid. You could definitely tell right when I let off the wheel for a second, it lost all my momentum, but not too bad. That was my first time trying to actually like drift the car, not just like do donuts, you know what I mean? So definitely something that takes practice. You can't just do it on your first try, of course. I'll maybe try doing one more. Oh my gosh, I should have held the clutch in. That wasn't too bad though. Alright you guys, last one. I'm gonna call it after this one right here. I just wanted to get an outside POV, to be honest.
god. Alright, we actually.
Yeah, no, we can go now. We can go now.
How fucking loud that was. Oh my god. You.
Those pops never get old. I definitely need new tires. The last time I tried drifting a couple months ago, I had an issue where I put a nail in my front left tire. I swear every single time I try and drift this car, I have an issue with the tires or something comes up, I swear. I think it's just my sign just to not try and do anything stupid with this car. I want to get another vehicle, that way I can turn into a dedicated drift car and build on the channel with you guys. Plus that way it just makes it so where I don't have to abuse my 86 right now, because this is my daily driver. I can't mess it up because I still need to get to work and school and whatnot, so try and just kind of balance it out where I have my fun with it occasionally on certain weeks, and then other weeks I kind of maybe try and take it a little bit more chill. But I think that's my sign right there that I need to get new tires. Bro, it's like I want to paint my carbon fiber hood and fenders, but that's like a quote of like $2,000 minimum. So there's $2,000 right there I need to spend. There's $1,000 that I need to spend on new tires. For those of you who don't know, I'm planning on going to Gatlinburg to go to Slammed Enough later in October. So that's probably at least another 500 right there. So you guys are always talking about me trying to get a turbo or a wide body kit, but there's like all these other expenses that I have that I want to do first, at least before I go down that route. And I'm already gonna have to spend close to like $3,000 alone just on this type of stuff, where I could spend like $2,000 more and get a turbo kit. So it's like, I don't know, you guys. Car parts and car stuff can be really expensive sometimes. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much where I'm going to wrap it up for today's video. If you enjoyed and want to see more videos like this, please make sure you guys give it a like down below. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you're new, that way you can stay up to date on all the content that I post with my 86, just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.